This is getting interesting. APC legal counsel, a lawyer, lied in attempt to mislead the courts by asserting that INEC Mahmoud Yakubu, of course, pronounced that the suspension of the transmission of results from the polling unit, of course, is validated by INEC of Mahmoud, which is contrary to the position of INEC, which he has maintained ever since before the election, and of course the electoral guidelines of INEC is that election should be transmitted via, of course, the IREV directly from the polling unit. And this, of course, is giving P2B a winning advantage. And if I must say at this particular point, it seems that INEC legal counsels has lost, of course, direction and possibly has no argument to make concerning this issue. Well, time will tell how far they can go, but they have been consistent in objecting, of course, the evidence being submitted by the Labour Party and P2B. Could this be the only, of course, challenge they could throw on P2B's witnesses and submission of evidence? Could that be the only thing they perhaps know what to do best? Does it mean they don't have any substantial, of course, evidence or claims to defend, of course, their position, the validation of the and pronouncement made by INEC? Well, time will tell how far they can drive, of course, this argument, or continue to make this submission of objection rather than making fantastic argument in favor of their principal or client. Well, I wouldn't say that that is the final blow or deadly blow that will be meted on them, but then time will only reveal the best, of course, of the intriguing moments here in the Nigerian political space. As the firework continue to build up, we are not relenting. We are keeping abreast with the current realities. Of course, intimating you has been a commitment, and keeping it real, of course, always is a pleasure. And we cannot relent in doing that, bringing your way the latest happenings as they continue to unfold. P2B legal counsel get advantage, of course, today by INEC, the APC lawyer trying to lied by misleading the court. In attempt to mislead the court, well, I think the judgment is reserved for the judge, presiding judge, to give his own verdict in the course of the litigation. Well, we'll continue to keep abreast as things continue to unfold in this very precarious moment we're in, well, which might redefine the entire system and the chart a way forward, possibly for humanity and the Nigerian populace, who are expecting and, of course, could not wait to see what becomes the end.